Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and homeowners. If you're staring at that frustrating 1017W error code on your Bosch boiler, don't panic, we've got you covered. In this video, I'll break down exactly what this error means, why it's happening, and the step-by-step solutions to get your boiler back up and running smoothly. Let's dive right in. First off, the 1017W error code on a Bosch boiler typically signals an issue with the water flow or pressure in your system. This could mean your boiler isn't getting the right amount of water pressure, which is essential for it to operate safely and efficiently. If you've noticed your radiators aren't heating up properly or you're hearing strange noises, this might be the culprit. Now, let's talk about the common causes. The most frequent reasons for this error include low water pressure, which can happen if there's a leak in your system or if the pressure has dropped over time. Another possibility is an airlock in the pipes, blocking the flow of water. Additionally, a faulty pressure sensor or even a problem with the boiler's pump could be at play. Identifying the root cause is key to fixing it quickly. Alright, onto the solutions. Start by checking your boiler's pressure gauge. If it's below 1 bar, you'll need to repressurize it. Locate the filling loop, usually near the bottom of the boiler, and carefully turn the valves to add water until the pressure reaches about 1.5 bars. Remember to turn off the valves once you're done to prevent overpressurizing. Next, if that doesn't work, bleed your radiators to release any trapped air. Go around your home, use a radiator key to open each valve until water starts to flow steadily, then close it. This simple step can often resolve airlock issues. If the error persists, inspect for visible leaks around pipes and connections, and tighten any loose fittings. However, if you're not comfortable with these steps or the problem continues, it's time to call in a certified technician to avoid any risks. There you have it, straightforward ways to tackle the 1017W error code. By following these tips, you could save yourself a service call and get your home warm again in no time. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more home repair guides, and drop your questions in the comments below. Stay safe and keep fixing. Word count: 385.